Hello students, welcome back in our second standard math session. Students, as I told you in the last session, we are going to see today demo question paper and how to write its answer in the answer sheet that we are going to see. Here is your demo question paper and this is your answer sheet. On the answer sheet, what you have to write? You have to write date, on which day your paper is there. Then what you have to do? Here you have to write your name, standard, division, and then you have to write subject. And here you have to write unit test 2. Unit test 2. Okay. So like this way you have to make ready your answer sheet. Okay. Now we are going to see question paper. So this is your question paper. As per our paper pattern, we are going same way. But here we are taking only two examples or one example of each question. Okay. So now here is question number 1. Fill in the blanks. First one is all sides of a square are dash in length. Second one, when we subtract a number from the number itself, the difference is always dash. So the answer of first fill in the blank is yes, equal. And the answer of second fill in the blank is 0. So how to write answer? We'll see here. What you have to do? You have to mark like these 2 lines. Here, 1 line you have to leave and write question number 1 here. And fill in the blanks first number. Okay. So what was the answer? Equal. So you have to write only answer. Next, number 2. When you are writing on the answer sheet, that time you have to write like this way. If you are writing on the paper, direct answer you can write here. Okay. So, second one's answer is 0. So, here you can write 0. Now, see next question. Question number 2. Give 2 examples of following shapes. So, first shape is a rectangle. So, what we are going to do here? Question number 2 will write here, where we have written question number 1, under that only. Then from that first one is there, first one rectangle is there. So its answer will write rectangle. What things are there? Flag is there. And second one is writing paper or writing page. Anything you can write. So this is your answer. Now next one is cylinder. Cylinders, second one. Cylinder example, you can write glass. Second one, bottle, chalk. Many things are there. Any 2 you have to write. So, you have to write here. If you are writing on the question paper only, then what you have to do? Here in front of rectangle, write the answer here. Okay. Now, see. Write question number 3, solve A, and from A, first one we are going to solve it. Add or subtract it is. Now, so see what we have to do. Question number 2 where it has written, there we are writing question number 3. Sub question you have to write here A. And from that, first one is this sum. So, we'll write number 1. See, we need carrying, borrowing, all the things. So, what is it? 2-digit numbers. So, write tens and ones. For borrowing or carry over, we have to leave this line. 64 minus 28. Okay. And next sum is this one. That also you can write down. Second one, tens and ones. 38 plus 45. So, here you have to leave 1 line, 38 plus 45. Now you have to solve it. Okay. See here, we have to start from ones column always. Sign is minus. So 4 fingers you have to open. Cut 8. So it is not possible. So we have to borrow from 6. 6 will become 5. 4 will become 14. 8 after count till 14 will get 6 answer. And 5 minus 2, there comes 3. 36 is your answer. Okay. Next one, plus sign is there. So when we are solving plus sign, always start from ones column. Bigger number 8, keep it in your mind. 5 on your fingers. 8 after 5, there comes 13. 13 is 2-digit number, so we'll write aside. 3 will come as an answer. 1 will go as a carryover. 3 after count 1, 4. 4 and this 4, 8. So your answer is 83. Now we'll go for the next question. Question number 3, B, subtract and check. Sum is 82 minus 37. So direct you can write it here. Question number, sub-question number B. From that, first one, here you can write tens and ones you can write here. Then arrange the number 82 minus 37. Now minus sign is there, opens the 2 number, cut 7. Not possible. So we have to borrow from 8. It will become 7. 2 will become 12. 7 after count till 12. It comes 5. And 7 minus 3. There comes 4. So this 45 is correct or wrong, that we are going to check here. So here you have to write check. Tens and ones. Then what we have to write first? The answer which came here after subtraction, that we are going to write. Then which number we have subtracted, that number we have to write here. And that number we are going to add with answer. Now see here, plus sign is there. 7 in your mind, 5 on your finger. 7 after 5, there comes 12. 2-digit numbers so written aside. 2 as an answer. 1 will go as a carryover. 4 and 1, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. So 82. See here, your number is 82. And in the question also, first number is 82. So here, our 45 answer is correct. Now we'll see question number 4. So we'll write it here, question number 4. And from that, we are going to solve a question, which is data handling. So we'll see here what information is given. The students of class 2 were asked to name their favorite snacks. The details are given below. Snacks are dosa liked by 3 students, idli by 5, pizza by 10, samosa by 7 and vada by 6. So next questions are there, which we are going to solve it. So the answer here, question is now answer the following questions. Which questions are there? So from A, first question is, we'll write its answer. Which snack is liked by most number of students? Most number of students means this one, and they like pizza. So first one answer we are writing here, pizza. Then next one, second one, which snack is liked by 5 students? So where is 5? Here. 5 students like idli. So we write the answer idli. Next, third question we'll see here. How many students like vada? So see where is vada, last one. How many students liked it? 6. So third one's answer, we'll write 6 here. Now question number B. Question number is B. Identify the shape of following objects. So both the objects are given here. A shape we are going to write. So you don't have to draw picture. You have to write direct answer. So question number B is first one is, it is candle, and candle is in which shape? Cylinder. So here you have to write answer cylinder. Now next one is here hanger. So hanger is in which shape? Triangle. So here you have to write triangle. Now next question, that is word problem. Okay. See here students, in the answer sheet no place is there. So you can write it in the next page. So next page also you have to draw like this way line. Write question number 5. That is word problem number 1. We'll see. Now see, everything is draw here. You can solve here when you are writing in the question paper only. And if you are writing on the answer sheet, what you have to do here, you have to draw like this boxes. HTO. Then you can draw, otherwise you can directly write the numbers. In a class, there are 45 students. Out of them, 26 are girls. How many boys are there? So see here in the first sentence, 2-digit number is there. Underline and write tens and 1. Out of them. So out of word is there, students, here. When we are getting out of, then we are what doing? Subtraction we are doing. And what we have to find out? How many boys are there? That we have to find out. Now arrange number 45 and 26. What we are going to do here? Minus. So minus sign you have to give here. Don't forget to give the sign. Now minus sign is there. Then open 5 fingers, cut 6. So which is not possible. So borrow from 4. 4 will become 3 and 5 will become 15. 6 after count till 15. You will get answer 9. Now 3 minus 2, you will get 1. So here 19. But what 19? 19 we are getting boys. So here in the answer you have to write 19 boys. So like this way you have to solve the question paper, and we'll meet in the next session after the exam. Best of luck all of you. Bye bye students.